let's see how we can install PyWhatKit using pip in Python, and let's see how we can create a project using that. So we will use pip to install PyWhatKit, and if you don't have pip installed, check the first link in the description and you will see how to install that. So first, let's open the terminal, type cmd in your search bar, hit enter, and first let's check my Python version. Even if your Python version is not 3.11.4, it will still work. So let's see if I have pip installed or not. So as you can see, I have pip installed and the version is 23.2.1. Now you can check how to install pip from the first link in the description. So once I have everything ready and going on, I just type pip install PyWhatKit to install PyWhatKit. So now we have installed PyWhatKit, and let's import this and let's try to run a project using this. So we'll just take a minute, we'll write just 2 lines of code. I'll just create a new folder for this and I'll call it PyWhat project, and hold shift and right click, open command or open PowerShell window here. I'm just trying to open this window in Visual Studio Code so I can write some code. So I'll just do code dot, and this folder will be opened in Visual Studio Code. Now I'll just create a new Python file here. Let's call it main.py, and let's write some sample code here. So as you can see, I have the sample code ready, and let's try to run this and let's see if PyWhatKit works or not. So as you can see, it searched Mount Everest in Google. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.